If you notice an unauthorized transfer in your Capital One account, it's important to act quickly to dispute it. Follow these steps to resolve the issue through the Capital One mobile app. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Launch the Capital One mobile app on your device and log in with your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account activity. Once logged in, go to the account section and select the account where the unauthorized transfer occurred. Look for the activity or transactions tab to view your recent transaction. Step 3. Identify the unauthorized transfer. Scroll through your transaction history to find the unauthorized transfer. Tap on the transaction to view more details and confirm that it is indeed unauthorized. Step 4. Initiate the dispute process. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your disputes. Review the information you have entered to ensure accuracy, then submit your dispute. You may receive a confirmation notification, and Capital One will follow up with you regarding the status of your dispute. By following these steps, you can effectively dispute unauthorized transfers in your Capital One mobile app. Always monitor your account regularly to catch any discrepancies early.